So this is the trade that I took today. So I was looking to get a gap fill. So I am trading in this 60-minute fair value gap. It's my thought that these fair value gaps are a magnet for price. And so when I see price getting near or setting up a breaker, I'm definitely taking this particular trade. So let me show you how I found the gap. So as you can see here, this first candle right down to that third candle, there is a big gap in price where the wicks of the first and that third candle don't touch. So here I am outlining this area because I believe price is eventually going to return to this area and fill it. And so I like to take these type of trades. I am on the 60-minute chart, so this would be considered a 60-minute fair value gap. And I just like to mark my chart up using a specific color scheme. So I like to use yellow for my fair value gaps. I also know that on occasion, you will not get the complete gap fill depending on the time frame of the gap and price. So here I am looking for an initial target for my exit, and this is based on the 15-minute chart. I found this candle wick here, so I'm just going to draw a line and I'm going to make this my target to exit the trade. You don't want to be greedy trying to get the full gap fill. Get your piece, get your few points, and exit. I am all about being a consistently profitable trader. It's not important to be always right in the trade. It is important to be profitable. And if you think you are getting in a position where you are going to be in a losing trade, you have to be able to analyze that really quickly, take your emotions out of it, and exit the trade. It's okay to take a loss. Just get back on the horse, reevaluate what you did wrong, and then look for a new entry, either long or short. So I'm just playing around with the colors here for this line and making sure that it is going out to the time in which I am trading. I am a very visual person, so I like to keep my eye on price, and I like to have lines for my goals and target as to where I am looking to exit. And it's okay to deviate from your initial plan. If in your analysis you feel like you have made a miscalculation, it's okay to exit. So here you can see the trade that I took, and price came right down to that line, right down to my target, a little bit below, and then begin to reverse up. I'm going to also outline the breaker for you so that you can see why I entered in this area. Here it is right here. This is the bearish breaker on the 3-minute chart. So I've outlined this area for you, and I'm going to change it to red so that you can have a visual cue as to what is happening in this area. So for the bearish breaker, I am looking for price to enter the area and then begin to reject down. For the bullish breaker, I'm looking for price to enter the area and then return up. This is the trade that I took for a profit of $4.25. 10 before 10.